Welcome to Antiques at the Gardens. I'm Heather Chadduck Hillegas. I'm an interior designer, and I'm one of the co-chairs this year for Antiques at the Gardens in Birmingham, Alabama. Antiques at the Gardens is an annual event benefiting the Birmingham Botanical Gardens, and it's a 64-acre piece of property in the middle of Birmingham, and we held this event each year as a fundraiser. The event was started as an antique show, and it has grown into the most beautiful and collaborative event in town. We kick off the weekend with a black tie gala, followed by 3 days of programming, speakers, workshops, and beautiful antiques vendors selling their wares. We all look forward to this week of the year. It's always beautiful weather, the flowers are blooming, the skies are blue, and everyone in the design industry and the entertainment industry and the caterers and the florists pitch in and volunteer their time and their materials and their talent to put on a beautiful show. So when we first started brainstorming about the design for this year's gala and event, we contacted Schumacher, and they so generously agreed to be our design partner. And after speaking with the Schumacher team, they suggested we use a new line of fabrics called A Country Life, which was wonderful because there are so many things to choose from that are beautiful, and it was nice to have that narrowed down for us in a way. So this is one of the dining areas for the event tonight, and we always use rental chairs because they're easy in, easy out, but we dressed them up this year with Mathis stripe, which is one of my favorite Schumacher fabrics, and my sister made all of the seat cushions for us, so it really is just all hands on deck. When we went to the showroom to see all the new Country Life fabric choices, there were some beautiful greens and some beautiful blues and some beautiful browns, but we needed a signature fabric to actually tie all of those together. So this is Anshun, which just serves as almost like the roadmap to the event with the colors. It's a little bit fall, it's a little bit summer, but the softness of the palette is just like perfect with all these beautiful arrangements that have been made for us. This is actually a glass-topped gazebo, which is actually a beautiful structure on its own. But this year we decided to tint it in a brown and white ticking stripe and then ruche the front of the bar with our signature fabric for the event. Some of our favorite design tips and tricks, I think, are we're really paying attention to the edge of everything. Whether it's a ruffled edge on a tablecloth, whether it's a fringed edge on a curtain, whether it's a Turkish corner on a pillow. I feel like since this is a design event, elevating those design details was something we really, really worked hard to achieve. I think this is probably my favorite moment, and we call it the tentrance, and it's the tinted entrance designed by Laura Bartlett, our architect. And what is so wonderful about it is the scale and the proportion is absolutely perfect. She worked with Kane Awning to design the frame, and we used Fox Chase by Schumacher to tint it. And once again, paying attention to the details and the edge on everything, we added a band of fringe and a little bit of plaid on the bias. And my husband and I made the little metal flags and slip covered them for the top of the tent. Each year, we try to reuse in a new and creative way certain elements from the year past. This trellis was a red trellis last year used behind the bar and had wallpaper underneath it, and this year we turned it into our entrance and created these little seating areas with a great fabric cushion, and then one of our amazing florists has adorned the entire facade of this as a warm welcome to our guests. This is our entry hall, and it is really just an open air stucco structure, and we tinted the entire room in this beautiful brown and white. I think it gives it a little bit of a modern edge. Fabric is so pivotal in bringing spaces to life. We call this the pot wall, and this was designed by Lindsay Beatty, and she spent half a day styling this out, and then one of the florists put some finishing touches on the center area. Welcome to the Rotunda. This is the hub of the event. While most of our gala will go on outside tonight, this is where we host our book signings and our meet and greet. We transformed this space with the Le Flore wall panels and kind of took a more masculine approach into this room. We want it to feel real cozy and warm and like it's been here for many years. This has been one of the most fun and exciting projects I've ever worked on. It makes us really proud for Birmingham that we can put on such a great show. This party is Southern hospitality at its finest. Everyone is proud, everyone is kind, everyone is helpful. Design is so much more than something beautiful to look at. It's about building a community and celebrating where you live and celebrating the South, celebrating the season.